Hello, everybody. How are you? I wish you are fine. First of all, my name is Mrs. Maha, science teacher. I will teach you science curriculum for first preparatory in English, but sometimes we will use Arabic for clarification. We have three units. First one called matter, second one energy, the third one diversity. Let's begin with first lesson, matter and its characteristics. We took before in fourth grade the matter, and we said that matter is anything has mass and volume. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. Volume is the space occupied by an object. So everything around us is a matter, except energy has no matter. We can distinguish between matter by using physical properties and chemical properties. In physical properties, we can use color, taste, and smell to differentiate between matter. Silver, iron, gold by color. We differentiate between them by color. Sugar, flour, salt by taste. Perfume, vinegar by smell. But we can't use that with all materials because there are many materials poisonous and colorless, tasteless, odorless. So we use another physical property. Let's see this picture and find which one is more dense. I mean more compact mass in a unit area. In this picture we find the right side is more dense. But in this picture we find the left side is more dense, more compact mass in the substance. By many experiments, we find that when we divide mass over volume, always we get constant value, but for the same matter. This constant value called density. So density equal mass over volume. We find each matter has its own density. So when we get same volumes for different materials, we will find different masses for each one, for each substance, such as wood, copper, iron. We find that due to the difference in their densities. Let's solve some problems. The first one, what's the density of 35 grams of a substance that occupies 25 cubic centimeters? Second one, in experiment to determine the density of water, the following results were recorded. Mass of an empty beaker equal 65 grams. Mass of the beaker and water 165 grams. The volume of water equal 100 cubic centimeter. Calculate the density of water. في أول مسألة أول حاجة بنطلع information بتاعتنا. احنا عايزين ايه؟ الدنسيتي، وعندنا الماس وعندنا الفوليوم، واحنا واخدين لو بيقول الدنسيتي ايكوال ماس اوفر فوليوم. يبقى احنا هنا هنحط بقى الايه النتائج الانفورميشن اللي احنا واخدينها. يبقى الدنسيتي ايكوال 35 اوفر ايه 25. الناتج هيكون 1.4 جرام بير كيوبيك سنتيمتر. الميجرنج يونت بتاعت الدنسيتي ولازم تتكتب اللي هي جرام بير كيوبيك سنتيمتر. في تاني مسألة احنا عايزين نجيب الواتر، الماس بتاعت الواتر. طب هنجيبها ازاي؟ نعمل subtraction between two masses وهنقول ان الماس of beaker and water minus الماس of beaker equal زي ما احنا شايفين قدامنا 100 جرام. وبعد كده هنقول الدنسيتي، هنستخدم اللو بتاعنا اللي هو الام اوفر في، هيطلع لنا 100 over 100 equal 1 جرام بير كيوبيك سنتيمتر. وهي دي الدنسيتي بتاعت ايه الواتر. We found the density can tell us if the object will float or sink in a certain liquid such as water. يعني ممكن نقول ان من ضمن استخدامات الدنسيتي اللي احنا لقيناها انها بتحدد قدرة جسم معين على الطفو اللي هو الفلوت على سائل معين، واستخدمنا الواتر، او قدرة الجسم ان هو ينغمر في الماء كليا اللي هو في الواتر كليا. زي بالظبط الوود، الدنسيتي of wood علشان هي less than that of water بنلاقيها ان هي float on the on the water. but iron ايه؟ علشان هو is greater than الدنسيتي بتاعته greater than of water that of water بنلاقي ان هو sink in water. يبقى هنا الفلوت or sink مرتبطة بالدنسيتي. لما تكون الدنسيتي less than water بنلاقيه يحصل float. لما تكون more than water بنلاقي ان السبستانس بيحصل لها ايه؟ sink. We have live applications on density. We can't use water in extinguishing petrol fires because the density of oil is less than that of water. So it floats on water surface keep fire. Also, we find that balloons filled with helium or hydrogen rise upward on air because the density of helium and hydrogen less than that of air. We find that by measuring the mass and the volume of any substance, we calculate its density and compare it with known density for this substance. That makes us determine the purity of this substance because each material has its own density. يعني ممكن ان احنا نقارن الدنستي بتاعة substance معينة مع الكثافة او الدنستي القياسية لنفس المادة اللي هي بتبقى معروفة، وهو ده اللي بيخلينا نتأكد من البيورتي بتاعة أي سابستانس زي الميلك. بنشوف إن هي متضاف لها مادة تانية يبقى إذا الدنستي هتتغير. هي بقى بيور هتبقى إيه؟ نفس الإيه؟ الأون دنستي بتاعتها مش هتتغير. Now with the third physical property, melting point. It is a temperature at which matter starts to change from solid to liquid. We find that different solids have different melting points. We find ice, batter, and wax have low melting point. Iron, copper, aluminum have high melting point. From the application of melting point, making alloys such as copper gold in making jewels, nickel chrome in making heating coils. Fourth physical properties is boiling point. It is temperature at which matter begins or starts to change from liquid into gas. The life application of boiling point separation of petrol components due to the difference boiling point of each substance. The fifth property is hardness. There are soft substances at ordinary temperature such as rubber, and some substances need heat to be softened such as metals. Some of them can't be softening. If heated, it will burn, such as coal and wood. Give reason the screwdriver is made of steel iron because it is very hard. وبعد كده هنضيف لها إن هي good conductor of electricity. Give reason the rods used in building houses made of iron not copper because iron harder than copper. And now with thermal conductivity. Good conductor of heat means substances that allow heat to flow through, such as iron, copper, aluminium. But bad conductors of heat are the substances that don't allow heat to flow through, such as wood, plastic. Give reason cooking pans are made of aluminium because it is a good conductor of heat. But the handles of cooking pans made of wood or plastic because they are bad conductors of heat. The electric conductivity. There are good conductors of electricity and bad conductors of electricity. Good conductor allow electricity to flow through, such as acidic solutions, alkaline solutions, some salt solutions like sodium chloride, and metals. Bad conductors of electricity substances don't allow electricity to flow through, such as gases, solution of hydrogen chloride in benzene, sugary solution, solids like carbon, non-metals. Give reason. Electric wires are made of aluminum and covered by plastic layer because aluminum is a good conductor of electricity, but plastic is a bad conductor of electricity. Give reason. Screwdrivers are made of iron and steel, while their handles are made of wood or plastic because iron is a good conductor of electricity, but wood is bad conductor of electricity. Let's learn about chemical properties. It is the ability of the substance to change into different substance with new properties during chemical reaction, such as rusting, reacts with any material. We classify metals according to that into very active metals, less active metals, inactive metals. Very active metals react with oxygen as soon as being exposed to humid air, such as sodium, potassium. But less active metals react with oxygen after a few days, such as iron. Inactive metals find great difficulty to react with oxygen, such as gold, silver. Give reason. Sodium and potassium are kept under kerosene surface because they are very active metals. Steel bridges are bent from time to time, or metallic spare parts are covered with greases. Both of them, the answer is common to prevent rusting. Washing of cooking pans made of aluminum with rough material to remove rust. Silver and gold are used in making jewels because they are inactive metals. Goodbye and wait for me next time, inshallah.